How to withdraw money from Cryptomania to your bank account. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can withdraw the money from Cryptomania to your bank account. At first, you have to log in to your very account. You can go to the Cryptomania website and log in there with your very credentials. After that, you can find the withdraw or the withdraw fund section, which is typically located in the account dashboard, the wallet section. There you have to choose the cryptocurrency you would like to withdraw. That may be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of those. If necessary, you can convert your cryptocurrency to a fiat currency within the platform. This might be done through a trading pair. After that, you have to enter the amount that you would like to withdraw. You can provide your bank account details, and you can ensure your bank account information is accurate and complete. You can complete any required identity verification steps. This may include uploading your identification documents and the proof of address. After that, you have to review all the details and confirm the withdrawal request. The withdrawal process may take some time, and processing times may depending on the platform and the bank. Once processed, the funds should appear in your bank account. You can monitor your bank account for the deposit. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.